Welcome to our channel. Now we will discuss a software based solution to the critical section problem, that is Peterson solution. But remember, this solution have some restrictions. The first one is Peterson solution is applicable only for two processes. And one more restriction is this solution is not suitable for modern architectures. Then immediately the thing is, if it is not suitable for modern architectures, why we are using? To understand the difficulties while designing a solution that satisfies the mutual exclusion, progress and bounded weighting, and understanding that algorithmic description, we are moving to this Peterson solution. Now, coming to the solution, here this solution mainly uses two shared variables. The shared variables are one is turn and next to variable is a flag variable. Here, what is the meaning of these two variable? Term. Suppose I already said it allowed only for two process if the process are Pi and Pj. If the two process wants to enter into the critical section at the same time, the turn specifies whose turn it is to enter into the critical section. That is simply the process for which we allotted the critical section, that is turn. For example, if turn is equal to I, the meaning is the critical section is allotted to process Pi. Allotted to process Pi. Now, the flag variable specifies which process is ready to enter into the critical section. For example, flag of I is equal to true. The meaning is the process I is ready to enter into the critical section. That means here the flag specifies which process is ready, turn specify whose turn it is to enter into the critical section. Now, once you understand these shared variables, what is the pattern that is provided by the Peterson? So here I have two processes Pi and Pj. Now I am writing the algorithmic description for process Pi. Simple thing, while true. Now how they designed, turn is equal to some j. First instead of that one I will write in the order flag. I am writing flag of I is equal to true. What is the meaning? The process Pi is ready to enter the critical section. Suppose next I return turn is equal to j. Now what is the meaning? Even though process Pi is ready and I am allocating the critical section to the process Pj. That is the meaning. This is the meaning. Now here, while flag of j and turn is equal to j. What is the meaning? This is the end condition. That is, these two cases must be true. Here within the while loop, flag of j means if the flag of j is true, that is j is also ready and we are allocating the CPU, that is the critical section, to Pj only. Obviously, it enter into the critical section. That is, the critical section is busy with process Pj. Busy with the process Pj. And obviously, if it is busy with the process Pj, at the exit section, flag of I is equal to obviously false. So this is the entry section. This is the exit section. Once we comes out of the loop, the remaining things is executed. Now the question is, whenever we are designing a solution, the solution must and should satisfy three requirements: mutual exclusion, progress and bounded weighting. How it is satisfied? Mutual exclusion. Only one process at a time is into the critical section. Yes. The turn variable is either I or j. Only one is possible. Both are not possible. Suppose if it is j, process Pj in the critical section. If it is I, process Pi is in the critical section. So mutual exclusion is achieved. progress. Progress means if the no process is in the critical section, immediately, that is without any delay, we are allocating another process. For example, here process Pj in the critical section. Assume Pj completed its critical section. Pj completed its critical section. Immediately another process is need to enter. How? Observe here. I already made flag of I is equal to true. So Pi is ready. Whenever it releases by Pj, obviously this entered. This entered. Clear? That is progress is also achieved. Bounded waiting. So each process has only one turn. Why? Because here the Peterson solution have only two processes. So obviously within a limited amount of time, each process shifted between the critical section and the remainder section. In this way, this solution achieves all the requirements for a critical section problem solution. This is the concept of Peterson solution. Anyway, we know every modern architecture supports mechanisms, hardwares, operating system mechanisms only. Such a type of solutions are not at all supported. That is the end of Peterson solution. Thank you.